Good day, traders, divergence traders, hook up traders, hook down traders. All right. What do we see here today? They sure did fool a lot of people today. They bought it up in the overnight. How much? Like, I'll say the whole damn way. Oh, yeah. And we had divergence today. This is the 2-minute we're looking at. We do not have divergence that I can see on the 5. I'm clicking the wrong thing. This is what I need to click. So right from this higher high to this higher high is our divergence. It was much easier to see it when the price was up here, not way the hell down here. But it is what it is. It's divergence. If we drag this up here like this, you can see it, how prominent it was. You see how it's pointing down? This one's pointing up. But when it's pointing down like that on the OSMA, it means it's going to go down. And man, did it go down. Okay. I was thinking in here with all the buying that went on in here, buying, and it never went anywhere. I thought it was going to go back up. No, not today. They grinded it down lower until they got into here, and then they just swamped it right down to here. Now the buyers are coming in. You can see it, right? They stepped in and said, hello, we're here now. We're taking this back up, and we're going to make your pretty red candles turn blue. That's what they said, and that's what they're doing. So there was some setups along the way. There was a hook down right here too. See the hook down? This is the trade I did. And it went way down here, and I don't use take profits, so, and then shot back up. So do you think I got the profit here? No, I got it here. Only like about 40 ticks or whatever. Yeah. What can you do? And here's another one right here. Closed above. It's a hook down. Sell it in here, and down it went. No, we already talked about that. Anyway, down it went and then right back up again to almost where it started from. Oh, look, now they're smacking it down again. They got everybody long. See right here. They got the people buying. Now they're suckering them. They're going, sucker. Buy fake, down we go. See? See, there's one right before your eyes happening in real time. Yes, indeed. Look, they push it more. Right there. Oh, look at that. They're pushing it. Are they ever pushing it? Oh, did they sucker those people in? And not only did they sucker the people into buying and take the wrong side of this fucking move here, but they got in at a better price. Selling from up here. Yeah, they got in at a better price up here. Now the question is, are we gonna fucking go down through these lows? Probably. I would think so. Yeah, for some reason they want to erase the gains of last night. That's what I think. Anyway, that's enough about that, eh? The MNQ. Oh yeah, I'd have to change this whole chart. Oh shit. I'll do it. I'll do it just for you. I had a 5-minute MNQ and the 2-minute on the one that you see. So now I got to change this chart back to the S&P. Bear with me, bear with me. Okay. I'm getting it. Now I have to change. Now I can't talk. The damn freaking loogies are covering my vocal cord. Yes. One sec, please. I gotta put the right fucking template on it. Load. I call it the 75 and 25. Yes. Makes it look a whole lot different. Because on the MNQ, I'm doing the 50s and the 100s, right? Where these lines are plotted on my chart. See, this is the 100, 20,500, and this is the 50, right? 20,450. Now on the S&P, just one sec. Got to get this going here. Okay, now I can finally fucking drag this over here. There, see? This is the S&P now, the mess. But, yeah, they did the same thing. Oh, yeah. See, there's no divergence up here, I don't think. I don't think so. I'm turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. Dun, 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 dun. Does anybody know that song from the 80s? I'm turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. Oh, yeah. Funny song from the 80s. See, there's no divergence up here. High, retracement, high. Because this part of it is higher than this part. It needs to be less. Yeah, less. So the only thing we can plop on here is some higher. Whew. Higher close. Now I'm going to start yawning. Sell it. Down it goes. That big swoop up, big long wick, and then right down. We got one more to put on here, and that's about it. Higher close, sell it, and down it goes. And this one, see, it was a, you know, a hookup right there. That was a hookup. I mean a hook down. But you see how it came right back down to almost right here. You know, it would have been scary to do it. And look what's happening. They're taking it back up. So that would have been a disaster right there if you're trading the fucking S&P. Okay, so that's it for that. Now let's drag over MetaTrader 4. Okay. And the 5-minute does not have a high, retracement high or high, so there's no divergence up here, ladies and gentlemen. You can see right here, see? There's no divergence. So the only thing you could do is if you're trading a crossover, cross down, people would laugh about that. Oh, what? I'm supposed to get in the trade after the 5 crosses down below the 7? That's it? That's your strategy? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? You know what I mean? Yeah, that's what they'd be saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Sell right here and look at how fucking far it went down. I think that's 195 points. Yeah. Let's look at the S&P. See, no divergence at the top either. See it? There's none. Because the OSMA was following the price up. This side of the OSMA needs to be less than this side. See, we got the right structure or the situation on the chart. A high, a retracement, and a higher high, right? But we don't have this right. We needed this. Oh, come on. I don't even know what I was supposed to do. Anyway, we need it to be going down like that. This one going up like this. It's not, so there's no divergence there. The only thing you can trade is that the 5 crossed down below the 7. Oh, look at that. They're just swamping it down lower now. See how they got everybody to buy in here? Sorry, I have to laugh. Because I think it's funny how they do the same old trick over and over again. Here, boy. Here, boy. Okay, sit. Sit. Sit, boy. Fuck. Sit on this, boy. Here, boy. Here, boy. Here, Fluffy. Come sit over here. Well, we destroy you. You know what I mean? That's what they do. They do it every fucking day. You know? That's why when the divergence sets up purely true and ready to go, it's so good. If only this here was lining up with our divergence stars up here. See? But it's not. So there's no fucking trade. The only thing you could have done up here is this. Where are you? I forgot about these. Sorry. Right there. Lower close, buy it. Up it goes. That's it. That was the only 2 trades up there. To buy, not sell. Why would we buy? Why would we buy way up here? Because the 5 is above the 7, so for sure you couldn't sell. Okay? Even if you didn't want a chance taking these trades up here at this high level after it, you know, fucking went up all the way from down here, right? The one thing you know is you cannot, you could only buy because the 5's above the 7. You could only do buy trades, whether they're short and sweet or fat and long, okay? But then when the 5 crossed down here, below the 7, what was it telling you? Well, now, you know, the direction has changed. You can only look for a sell trade, you know, not a buy trade anymore. Because if you did buy trade somewhere down in here, you got careened. Especially this last one right here. See, they got everybody buying here. And people's stops were right here. And where did they just take the price? Right there where your stops are. They come and got your liquidity. That's what they do. That's what they do over and over and over and over and over again. They never stop. It's like a machine. Just keeps taking people's money. It's like a slot machine where the odds are what? They're in the favor of the house. So right now we're looking at this chart. Who's the house? Is it you? That's the house? No. No, it's not. And that's all I can say about that. I can't say what the house is or where it is or what it's all about. Because then they stomp on my likes. Yeah, on my subscribers. That's what they do. I should have like 10. I've been doing this for a whole year, so I should have at least 2,000-3,000 subscribers, but I don't. So since I started this stream, how much did I have? I think, yeah, it was under 1,000. So it was like 870 or something. Yeah. So since the beginning of May of 23, I've only gained 200 subscribers. Well, I've gained more than that, but they left or whatever happened, I don't know. I know everybody wants to see the live show, right? They want to see the trades in real time and they want to see the losses. Yes, believe it or not, people enjoy, look at a tank. They enjoy seeing the losses more so than the winners. That's what they like to see. And there's a reason for it, and I hate to say this reason, and don't think of me as an ignorant mother effer, okay? But they like to see the losses because it makes them feel better. Because, like 98% of traders lose. So they like to see the losses because they have lost too, so they don't feel as bad. That's what it's all about. I'm telling you, I'm not kidding you. Um, that's what it's all about. And it's sad, but it is what it is. You know? So let me ask you one question before I carry on. Why would anybody want to trade this thing or play this game? It's like a game, you know? Why would they play it if they only have a 2% chance, maybe even just 1%, maybe even less than 1% chance of winning at it? Well, some people really like a challenge, and this is a challenge. But the main reason why most people lose is because they're betting money on it. Okay? And that's what puts the fear and greed into you. And along with all this delay, wear you out, no patience, ha ha ha, I'm gonna rape you, right? That's another thing that causes people to lose, is that it goes sideways. All these sideways fucking things that you just sit there and you're frustrated and you're pissed off and whatever because you want it to go somewhere. Yeah. And that's all done on purpose. It's all done by design. These blocks, you see them all over the place. Here's one here. Here's one here. Here's one here. See what I mean? You see what I mean? Okay, let's move on now. I just wanted to clarify and tell you why a lot of people lose. It's because of consolidation and time lapse of sitting there doing nothing for forever, and it wears people out. And their patience gives out on them, and they no longer can wait. That's what happens. Okay, this is the Dow. I don't see no fucking trades here. It's just a mess. Oh yeah. Pound dollar. Oh, that don't look too good either. Lower lows. And where's the candle that said, hey, maybe we're going somewhere? It was this one right here. And then this one, these ones. Then this one. But if you got in this one, it would have freaked you out because it came back down here. The stop would have been here. And up it went. That's it. Went up 28 pips. Big wow. Euro? What did the euro do? It has the right thing on the chart, low and lower low, but not on the OSMA. This right side of the OSMA needs to be less than the left side. There's actually a trade right here too, and it went nowhere. Right here. See? Where would have you got in? Say if you even got in here. Did you take your profit here? I don't know. And then they smacked it down ever so quickly. It's a buy fake right in here. Buy fake. And then they smacked it down here. And the people who are buying right in here, right? Where was their stop? It was right here. And where did they take it to? Right down below here to get all the liquidity. Once they got it, what did they do? They took the motherfucker up. That's what they do. Over and over again. Over and over again. Pound yen. Oh, what did the pound yen do? Oh, we had a trade. over here, but that was the UK session. No, I don't see no trade. I don't see no fucking trade, man. Only trade I do see, I don't know, like something like that. You got to really put in some ingenuity on this one. Like that. What's this? Yesterday's. Yeah, they always catch people off guard when they don't expect anything to happen. That's when something happens. That's the way they do it. When you're least expecting it to happen, it happens. So there's a divergence there. How much did we go up in the euro? Oh my God, we went up that high? Oh no, that's pound yen. I thought I was still looking at the euro. I was going, there's no way it went up 79 pips. It's the pound yen that went up 79 pips. So once you've seen this, the trend starting here, the 5's above the 7, you know, you would have lower close, buy it, up it goes. That's the only trade I see. And this one. But still, that's weird. That's weird. I really had to seek and search for this fucking thing, and it still doesn't even look right. I'd scratch that trade. Forget that. But this here was legitimate right here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. It was good. Euro yen look the same? Yeah. See the euro yen? See, it looks just like the pound yen. Euro yen. Yeah. There's that same thing again. See? Right here. Yeah. Yeah, fuck. Look at this. Before it did the nice move up, what did it do in here? Consolidate. Wore people out. Wore people out. Wore people out. They couldn't wait. They couldn't wait. They were buying it here, and down it went. Buying it here, down it went. Because they want to wear you out. They want to put fear in you that it's going to go down and get your stop down here. That's what this was. If you were buying right up here, what's this line on here for? I must have put that line there. Who knows when. Anyway, it's all messed up. Let's move on now to oil. What did it do? I knew it did a big drop here, right at open. Yeah, 1600. This is 9 o'clock. This is when oil opens. And look, there's no like high and higher high. There's no fucking divergence unless I'm not seeing it right. Oh, I guess there is. There is. It's not easy to spot this one though. It's a little tricky. Okay? Like that. Does it line up? Yeah, kinda. Yeah, it lines up. So if you would have sold in here, I don't know if you would have found this one. I barely saw it myself. I saw it just in the last. I had to move that line from yesterday to see it. But look, here's one that you can easily see. See, a low, a retracement, and a lower low. See? And right here, like this. And that was your entry. Right there. And it was good. This is oil, and it shot up quickly. 93 points. Yeah. So there's your trades on oil. Oh, hold on. We got one more along the way. Along the journey, we had one right there. Okay, lower close, buy it, up it goes. Oh, they're so beautiful. Went up 90 points. They're so beautiful, these trades, you know, the lower close, buy it, up it goes, or higher close, sell it, down it goes. Because usually when they occur, there's a trend already established and happening and just raring to go. You know what I mean? And that's what happened here. See, We went up, we retraced, went up, retraced, and up. It's a stair step. Step, up, stair step, up. Yeah, it's like, they're beautiful trades, these lower close and higher close trades. And the hook downs and the hookups. Too funny. All these trades that only people who watch this channel know what the F I'm talking about. Only people who watch this channel. So, don't take this in a conceited way, but consider yourselves fortunate to have found this channel, because there's some good learning here that works. And gold. What did gold do? Oh. I hope you made some money today, Fook. There's no divergence from up here because this side of the OSMA is higher than the left side. So there's no, it's 11 o'clock now, so there's no setup, yeah. Actually, there is a setup. It's right here. You would have got short right here and down it went. Here's another one. Right here. Would you want to sell way down here close to the low though? No. Yes, it went lower after, but yeah. That's tricky. But we also had a higher close, sell it, down it goes. So that one would have worked out. And the hook down would have worked out also. You just had to wait a little longer to do the trade. And that's it for the markets that we watch. And let's take a look at the crypto a little bit. Oh, Bitcoin's moving back up. Will it break through this? Right now it's sitting on it. If we break through here and then we're going to go to new highs, maybe. Maybe. Anyway, there's a point I wanted to make, get across to you guys. And it's basically this. It's what you need to do most important in trading. If I sum it up in a few words, it would be this. It would be trade what you see, not what you think. Okay? But that's the short form of it. And ever since I started trading what I see and not what I assume to think, I got better results. Okay? So, anytime you come to a chart, look at the price. What's it doing right here, right now? Is it going up? Is there a setup to take it up? Then do that setup. Don't come to the market and look at it and say, oh, it's overbought, or oh, it's oversold, and do the opposite of what the market's doing. The price. Okay? So it's so important that you trade what you see, but right here and right now what you see, not what you assume to think where it's going to go later. Forget about later. You only can trade what you see right here and right now. And that's what you need to do. You need to write it. Get a piece of paper and a pen, or type it out on your computer in big letters, and put a note on your trading station where you trade. And just put those words. It's very simple. Trade what you see, not what you think. Put that on a piece of paper. And every time you're ready to do a daredevil thing, like the market's going down and you say, oh, it's oversold, I'm going to buy it here. I'm going to be the first one in. Don't do that. Because the message on the paper or whatever tells you, don't do that. Trade here, trade now, where it's going, what it's doing, not the opposite. Remember, the opposite of the right thing to do is the wrong thing to do. And you're going to get killed. You see what I mean? Okay. XRP, where did it go? Oh, it did a little spring up there. Yeah. And silver, oh, look at that. It looks like it made a new high. We're on the weekly, eh? Yeah. When did it make a new high? Oh, just now. Just today it made a new high. Silver and gold are trying to go higher. Okay, Ethereum. Oh, it's trying to come back up, and that's it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. I want to thank you for coming out and listening and watching. And yeah, be safe. Trade what you see, not what you think. Okay? Good luck and good trading.